Oh, stupid laundry. Oh, this is so annoying. You know what? Just dump this all out. Yeah. Casuals, whites, delegates. What the fuck is this? Cold? It's not starting. I think it's broken.
Maybe you just gotta hold the button down, okay?
Oh, okay.
And when you're done, sweetie, can I just get you to sweep the floor and take out the trash for me?
Oh, more chores? It's Sunday. I have things to do.
I'll take care of you, sweetie. Don't worry. Thank you.
Oh my god. Alright. So annoying. You know what? Fuck this. Yeah. Fuck that. I'm almost finished, Mom.
Good. When you're all done, you can have some ice cream in the freezer.
Are you serious?
Any flavor you want, babe.
Even vanilla, my favorite?
I got it just for you.
Yes! Woo! Okay. I'm almost done. Just a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna take the trash out. Oh boy, I cannot wait. Mom? There's no ice cream in the freezer.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I thought we had some.
What? That's not fair? Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, what's wrong?
Stop. You know what's wrong. I went to go check for ice cream in the freezer and there was none.
Come on. I'll get you next time.
Yeah.
It was an accident, my love.
Hey, stop.
Oh, you don't?
No, I just finished doing all these hard chores and I wanted, to cool down with some nice ice cream and now I can't. Just leave me alone, please.
Oh, come on. You don't love your stepmother anymore? Come on, give me a kiss.
No.
I'll take care of you.
Not right now. Stop.
Oh, thank you for cleaning for me.
Just stop it already, huh? I'm just gonna go to my room, play some video games.
No, what if I give you a better treat?
Well, will you take me to the ice cream parlor?
Well, if you want, maybe later, but I'm having something.
Like what?
Remember the last time your dad went out of town?
Right?
Do you remember what we did then?
Yeah,
You liked that.
I did.
Don't you think that